Pixel Fold is in final stages of getting launched as it gone through certification before the launch, as Google is about to launch, and before that we already have the first ever look of Pixel Fold. Just want to add, there's a big question: how durable will it be? To find the answer, you have to watch till the end. Google is going to launch Pixel Fold in Google I/O event, and only 9 days left for the launch of Pixel Fold. And here's the big thing: Pixel Fold got FCC certification, which clears that it is coming and type of connectivity we are going to get. And for the US, it will hit a lot of network bands and will come with a Wi-Fi 6. There is no more information in FCC certification. Before moving on, drop a like. The durability is something a big question in our mind, as foldable phones are not that durable, to be very honest. Pixel Fold could be one of the most durable foldable phones so far, as per information. And even looking at the renders of the Pixel Fold, the hinge of the Pixel Fold looks promising and seems durable. And by adding IPX8 rating for waterproofing, Google even extend the durability of a phone. Only Samsung give IPX8 rating in foldable, and Google is the second one. Let me know, which feature do you want to see in the Pixel Fold? The debate can go on whether Pixel Fold in a display is good or bad, because you guys might see the official images of Pixel Fold and we saw big bezels on top and bottom. Well, these looks old compared to the current generation foldables, but Google add these bezels because of selfie shooter, so we can get a better quality out of selfie shooter. Yes, it looks bad, but you have to compromise. Meanwhile, the outer display looks really good and more like Apple Finance, as we are getting 5.8 inches cover display and 7.6 inches inner display, completely opposite what we get on the Fold 4, as Fold 4 came with much taller display. A battery size of the Pixel Fold already in the news, and some saw this good but others saw this bad, as Pixel Fold is coming with a 4500 mAh battery, a slightly bigger than Fold 4, which is at 4400. If you are expecting some big battery numbers, it's on you, as it will hold just fine, as inner display is too big for this small battery, so we can get similar battery numbers just like Fold 4 or even Fold 5, as it is also going to come with 4400 mAh battery. Google Pixel Fold is not for budget users, as it costs too much, where we are going to get two models as the price is different: $17.99 for 256 gigs and $1,919 for 512 gigs. As we are getting closer to the launch, we get some news on Pixel Fold pre-order deals, which you can check in this video, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.